Hello English learners. Welcome back to Easy English Conversation. I'm Emma, and today I want to share something really surprising with you. Last week, I asked 100 Americans one simple question. What makes someone sound boring when they talk about their weekend? And the number one answer? Using the same 3 words over and over again. Good. Nice. Fine. But here's what surprised me most. The people who sounded the most interesting were not doing crazy or exciting things. They were doing totally normal Sunday things. Sleeping in. Cooking at home. Taking a walk outside. The big difference? They knew the secret phrases that make ordinary moments sound amazing and interesting. Let me tell you about Sarah. She learned these phrases just 2 months ago. Now, instead of saying, "I slept good," she says, "I slept late and it felt absolutely great." Can you hear the difference? That's the power of knowing the right phrases. This is day 7 of our 30-day challenge to speak English fluently. Today's topic: talking about your Sunday. By the end of this lesson, you will master 33 phrases that real Americans actually use every day. Not textbook English, but real Sunday conversations. In just 10 to 12 minutes, you will sound like you have lived in America for years. Ready to completely transform your Sunday stories? Let's dive in. I'm planning a relaxing Sunday. I'm planning a relaxing Sunday. I'm planning a relaxing Sunday. I want to sleep late tomorrow. I want to sleep late tomorrow. I want to sleep late tomorrow. I'm staying home and resting all day. I'm staying home and resting all day. I'm staying home and resting all day. I'm meeting some friends for lunch. I'm meeting some friends for lunch. I'm meeting some friends for lunch. We're going to the park together. We're going to the park together. We're going to the park together. I'm making a big delicious breakfast. I'm making a big delicious breakfast. I'm making a big delicious breakfast. I can't wait to just relax. I can't wait to just relax. I can't wait to just relax. This is exactly what I need right now. This is exactly what I need right now. This is exactly what I need right now. Sunday is my rest day. Sunday is my rest day. Sunday is my rest day. I'm going to take it nice and easy. I'm going to take it nice and easy. I'm going to take it nice and easy. I need a little time just for myself. I need a little time just for myself. I need a little time just for myself. Great job. Notice how these phrases sound so much more natural than simply saying, "I will have a good Sunday." Americans love words like relaxing, rest, and take it easy. These words make you sound warm, natural, and like a true native speaker. Ready for the next part? Let's learn how to talk about your Sunday experiences. I had the most relaxing Sunday. I had the most relaxing Sunday. I had the most relaxing Sunday. I slept late until noon. I slept late until noon. I slept late until noon. I made a really delicious breakfast. I made a really delicious breakfast. I made a really delicious breakfast. I did some light housework. I did some light housework. I did some light housework. I talked with my family for a while. I talked with my family for a while. I talked with my family for a while. We ended up talking for hours. We ended up talking for hours. We ended up talking for hours. I took a nice long walk. I took a nice long walk. I took a nice long walk. The weather was absolutely perfect. The weather was absolutely perfect. The weather was absolutely perfect. I spent some quality time with my friend. I spent some quality time with my friend. I spent some quality time with my friend. We watched a couple of TV shows together. We watched a couple of TV shows together. We watched a couple of TV shows together. I read a book and had some coffee. I read a book and had some coffee. I read a book and had some coffee. Fantastic. You are starting to sound like a real American when describing your Sunday activities. Notice phrases like made, did, spent time, and ended up. These are simple but very natural expressions that make you sound confident and fluent. Now let's move on to the final set of phrases. I had an absolutely amazing Sunday. I had an absolutely amazing Sunday. I had an absolutely amazing Sunday. It was really refreshing and peaceful. It was really refreshing and peaceful. It was really refreshing and peaceful. I feel so much better now. I feel so much better now. I feel so much better now. I didn't want it to end at all. I didn't want it to end at all. I didn't want it to end at all. You should really try it sometime. You should really try it sometime. You should really try it sometime. It was so much better than I expected. It was so much better than I expected. It was so much better than I expected. I definitely want to do this again. I definitely want to do this again. I definitely want to do this again. Sundays like this are truly great. Sundays like this are truly great. Sundays like this are truly great. It was exactly what I needed. It was exactly what I needed. It was exactly what I needed. What a great way to end the weekend. What a great way to end the weekend. What a great way to end the weekend. I feel recharged and ready for the week. I feel recharged and ready for the week. I feel recharged and ready for the week. Perfect. Now let's practice with a real conversation. Mark will join us here. You repeat both lines, just like acting in a real scene. Let's go.
Hey Emma, how was your Sunday?
I had the most relaxing Sunday ever.
Oh really? What did you do?
I slept late until noon, and then I made a really delicious breakfast.
That sounds amazing. What else did you do?
I did some light housework, and then I took a nice long walk. The weather was absolutely perfect.
Nice. Did you meet up with anyone?
Yes, I spent some quality time with my friend. We ended up talking for hours, and watching a couple of TV shows together.
Sounds like a perfect day. How do you feel?
I feel so much better now. I really did not want it to end. What a great way to end the weekend.
That sounds awesome. I should try that too.
You should really try it sometime. I definitely want to do it again. Now it's your turn. I will ask the questions. You give the answers out loud. Speak naturally and confidently. Ready? Let's begin. Hey, how was your Sunday? What did you do first thing in the morning? That sounds really great. What else did you do? Did you go anywhere or stay home? How was that? What did you do in the afternoon? And how was your evening? How do you feel now after such a Sunday? Incredible work today. You just went from sounding basic and boring to sharing your Sunday stories, just like a real Native American speaker. Those 33 phrases are your new secret weapon for weekend conversations that actually get people interested and make them want to hear more. Tomorrow is day 8 of our 30-day challenge. We are going to master another essential conversation skill that will boost your confidence even more. Do not break the chain. If these Sunday phrases made you feel more confident today, hit the subscribe button right now, so you never miss tomorrow's lesson. And leave a comment below, with one phrase you will definitely use to describe your next Sunday. Keep practicing, and I will see you tomorrow right here on Easy English Conversation. Bye for now.